One of the biggest innovations of human history is the development of written language. Since the development of cuneiform in 3100 BCE by the ancient Sumerians, humans have continued to evolve and innovate new ways of using written language to document history and communicate. However, many of us today take for granted this ability to put spoken word to paper. While maybe an EDC pen will make simple tasks like writing a grocery list or even just signing your name more enjoyable. Let's check out a few pen options and see if one of these is right for you. And if not, there are plenty of other options to make you satisfied. Starting off with one of my first EDC pens is actually an O Pen Mini. This pen, I believe I won from a giveaway from none other than Mr. Big Red EDC himself. And this started me on my journey of collecting EDC pens. As you can see, this one's coming in about 3.5 to 4 inches. So it's going to be nice and compact, easy to put in, say, a pouch or even like a wallet to carry. Or you can go with something on the cheaper end of the spectrum and get something like a copper EDC pen from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And this is coming in with just basically generic packaging, no name brand, and it's a decent pen for right around $8 to $10. But the only problem is this thing weighs a ton. So, if you're looking for another affordable option, you can find something like this Tool metal pen on Amazon. This one's going to be right around $15. It's going to be a medium 0.7 millimeter cartridge. My only complaint about this one was the length. It did not fit in my EDC wallet like I wanted. So I found myself another pen to carry in my EDC wallet, and that is going to be my favorite pen brand, and that is Big Idea Design. This is the Slim Bolt Action Mini. These do not have the ability to select cartridges like the other models, but if you're looking for something you can stuff in a checkbook or in your pocket or throw it in your purse and forget it, this is going to be the guy. But if you want something even more premium from a company like Big Idea Design, you can go with this awesome side click. These are going to be more expensive, but they offer the ability to put whatever cartridge you like inside. I currently am rocking a Pilot G2 in medium because I like a medium point pen. But if you're looking for something even a little bit more streamlined than the side click, you can get yourself a bolt action pen. And this is black titanium with Damascus bolt and clip. But this thing does everything you could want in a pen. Plus, it's fun to fidget with. If you want something you can play with, write what you need to, and enjoy menial tasks like taking notes or writing stuff down, maybe you should look into an EDC pen. I don't know if they're for everybody, but I do know that my life is easier when I carry a pen every day. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you like this video or have any sort of suggestions for anybody else, let me know that also. Thank you guys.